Did it make you not want to come to class? When you were younger, did kids tease you? What did they tease you about?
Being too slow and not being able to shoot hoops and not running and just getting those things.
Did you ever get to a point where you did not like attending physical education? How was physical education for you coming up from first grade to now?
Well, kids were mean. When they didn't have the players they needed for their games, I got put in, but that was only because they needed extra players. Now, since then till now, I'm happy just playing and having fun and exercise.
What do you think about having interactive video games as part of the fitness program within physical education at Kent?
It's really good.
The traditional
Yeah,
game?
losing weight, gaining muscle, learning new things.
My name is Mrs. Beauchamp, and I'm a physical education teacher here at Kent K through 8th grade in Dayton, Ohio. Today, we will be doing a lesson with interactive video games, and our concentration will be games of fitness, and that game is anti-grab. We will also be using the bowling game by Zavix.
Today we are having a study playing the PS2 iToy game Anti-Grab.
You have to keep your head in the circle, the red circle. Bend your knees for speed. Manner in which it has been organized. There is constructivism, there's self-directed learning with following the tutorials, there's interaction with collaboration with students helping one another. With the fact that we're using an interactive video game, a lot of the children were just excited with the fact of being able to see themselves interact with an avatar in a setting to execute a skill that they felt that they were pretty confident and competent to do. What is about gym you don't like?
If I don't get in the right classroom, if I don't have her, like Samantha.
What would make gym more interesting for you, Stacy?
Like a zombie game that's like free roam and be fun when you use your body or something.
Okay, Stacy, you just experienced our activity. And will you tell the viewers what you experienced?
Sort of like riding a skateboard and stuff. You like have to lean your arm and stuff. It's really interactive and I think it's pretty fun.
I'm gonna take my 10-second pulse rate.
Ready? Begin.
Hi, my name's Hunter Weidenborner, and the reason I started this group is to basically help with mathematical equations and to show that games can be creative and fun without having to be violent. Like Minecraft, for example, you have to solve equations and problems to be able to build things that you can build, such as huge buildings or whatever you build. And that all comes to mind, and you have to think of it instantly.
Do you have a pencil sharpener?
I don't, but we'll find one. Okay, I'm going to ask some questions. So, could you guys tell me something about what you learned today? You have to click and drag, click and hold. Gentlemen, find a seat. Thank you. Now, everyone else needs to listen. Welcome to EVGD. But I need to know exactly what it is you want to get out of this and why you joined. Mr. Fisher, why did you join?
My mom thought that'd be a great experience for me, and I think that's so I can have a good future for myself.
And how would you relate this with your education? Will you find any value in it for your other classes, your core classes, math, language arts?
Math, reading, and a little bit of science.
How would be helpful with that?
Get to know, read better, do math a lot better, and experience
You guys find that this is something that will be useful in your core classes as well as the skills that you're learning in this Education Video Game Design Pilot Program?
My name is Tyler Daly, and I joined this group because I think it was going to be fun in math, like because of the angles and per square root and all that, and like writing as like the main storyline or script, and I thought it would be a good thing for like my regular classes.
Great.
Hi, my name is Hunter Weidenborner, and today I will be talking to you about the EVGD program. And what I've come to understand from this program is it's very helpful for your curriculum. And the ways it can help a student is, let's say you apply for a technology job, you could add that to your application or to your resume, and it would help for you to get a job. Students can also make they can profit off of this program, and it helps with, like I said before, computing and technology skills, and it helps with writing because you have to make multiple scripts for the game, and you have to understand how to write it just right, and you have to be good at drawing. In the core classes that we take here, it manages to help with those classes because the game scripting and dialogue options can consist of either Old English or new modern slang or other terms, and it really helps with English and language arts. And as a science standpoint, it could have a lot of physics in the game that you'd have to know very good science to deal with, and it would involve educational games.
You're talking about you enjoy the graphic part of this.
I enjoy the graphics, and I
opportunity.
really like to learn how to do that. And I think it'll help out with my math and science skills.
Okay, great. I don't, but we'll find one. Okay, I'm going to ask some questions. Gentlemen, find a seat. Thank you. Now, everyone else needs to listen. Welcome to EVGD. But I need to know exactly what it is you want to get out of this and why you joined. Mr. Fisher, why did you join?
My mom thought that'd be a great experience for me, and I think that's so I can have a good future for myself.
And how would you relate this with your education? Will you find any value in it for your other classes, your core classes, math, language arts?
Math, reading, and a little bit of science.
How would be helpful with that?
Get to know so that people can read better, do math a lot better, and experience more of nature.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Gehart, and the reason I joined this program is because I don't play video games, but I'm fascinated how well the mind can create all the graphics, and I want to learn how to do that.
Hi, my name is Deanna McGuire, and this will help me in math because if I have trouble, I can use like a video game to help me solve a problem. And I joined this group to make more games for girls.
Hi, my name is JD Snowden. The reason why I'm in this group is to help me stimulate my brain for mathematical equations and to prove that video games can be educational and fun without the violence.
My name is Stacy, and it can relate to my classwork because, like, I can make a game about math, and like, yeah, it could help me in math. Maybe if I make a game about math, like do math problems on it or something like that, and it could probably get me a good job in video game design and stuff like that.